do is show you how to display the total number of entries in a gravity form. So if you just Google something like show number of entries on front end in gravity forms, you'll get an article called Gravity, a website called Gravity Wiz. Just click that one, which is what I was looking at there. And this shows you how to create a view on the front end that allows you to have like, yeah, two people have booked, 5 people have booked. Okay, so this is the steps. So you can show the code here. It's a function. So just I'm going to come down here and grab this add filter thing. So let's go down there. I'm going to view the raw thing here. I'm just going to grab that. I don't really need the commented version there, so just copy that. What I want to do is come into Genesis Extender and Custom, which has got a functions file, right? So you come down to the bottom of the functions file. Just make sure that there's nothing there. Press paste, and then the function goes in, and that function allows Gravity Forms to display the total number of entries on the front end. Okay, you can read through the rest of the article. It's quite straightforward, really. All you need to do is grab this one here. I'm going to put it into, I don't know, a page, a test page. So let's just put it into a page here, add new. I'm going to add a shortcode. Yep, and I'm going to put that shortcode in there. Now, it says your form ID, so we're going to need to find out, oops, I'm just going to do like a test page, update that. Okay, so I need to put a form in here as well. So let's just put in a different form. I'm going to put in, I don't know, satsang form, just because it could just demonstrate how it works on any form, really. Satsang form, right? What is the ID of that? Come back into the back end, go into forms. Let's try satsang. It's number 3. So go into there, press in 3 because that's the ID of 3. So that should actually now display the satsang form underneath, and then have this. Now I can also write in a bit of text above it. So total number of registrations so far. Okay, and that means that it will just have the number after it if the function is working correctly. Okay, so let's just open that. Open a new tab. So you see we've got total is 0, right? I'm just going to book in here a minute. Yeah, I'm going to submit that. I don't know where I've been redirected to, but clearly it's not, the page doesn't exist, but that's okay, because what I want to do really is just double check now that if I was to open up this page again, that it should have 1 displayed on there. Yeah, you see 1, so it's counting the number of entries. If I go back here to satsang form and I refresh, number of entries on the bottom one has gone from 0 to 1. So this is now reflecting the number of registrations. The form is underneath it. Obviously you can put these 2 items, the shortcode and the form, in any page or post or event or anything else, and you can also write bits of text to the left and to the right of the actual shortcode, but that has to be in there. Okay.